Good day, viewers. Welcome again to my channel, Second Math Hub, the solution to your math problems. Core Mathematics, Wassce, September 2024. Objective, question number 8. 7 men complete a piece of work scheduled in 6 days. So let's put down something. 7 men. So they use 6 days. How long will it take 2 of the men? 2 men. So 2 of the men, how long will it take them to complete the same work schedule if they work at the same rate? Now, clearly this is an indirect proportion. Why is this an indirect proportion? First of all, let's identify the quantities given in the question. So we have number of men and the number of days they take to complete the work schedule. So now, what is an indirect proportion? So for an indirect proportion, it is a type of proportion whereby an increase in one quantity causes a corresponding decrease in the other quantity. Or on the other hand, a decrease in one quantity causes a corresponding increase in the other quantity. So now in real life, let's say you have a piece of land and you employ laborers to work on the piece of land. Now let's look at 2 scenarios. The first scenario, let's say you employ many laborers to work on the piece of land. You see that it will take them fewer days to complete working on the piece of land. On the other hand, with that same piece of land, if we employ few laborers, you see that it will take them a longer period of time to complete the work schedule on the land, provided they work at the same rate. So you can see that as one quantity increases, it is causing a corresponding decrease in the other quantity. So that is an indirect proportion. And as you can see here, we are looking at number of men and the number of days. So as the number of men increases, the number of days will also reduce. On the other hand, if the number of men reduces, then it will take longer days for them to complete the same piece of work, provided they work at the same rate. So now, how then do we find the number of days? So because it's an indirect proportion, if less, then less will have to divide. Take note. Because it's an indirect proportion, if less, then less will divide. So we have 7 men divided by 2 men times 6 days. So the men will cancel out. So let's simplify this. 7 on 2 times 6. So it will take them 21 days. 21 days. So the right answer is option C. Thanks for watching.